All right, guys, I updated my scrapping status. I'm now officially buying HVAC equipment. Well, I met a technician the other day, about maybe 2 weeks ago, and I was driving by his house and he was throwing out air ducts out of the back of his work truck. So I stopped and I said, hey man, can I grab some of that stuff? And he's like, yeah, go ahead, grab whatever you want. So cool dude, he helped me load it up, you know, the air ducts and stuff in the truck. And he's like, hey man, you want to make some money? So he told me he was an HVAC technician. Well, I knew that anyway because of his truck parked out in front of his house all the time. And he said his buddy usually takes them, but he doesn't have a truck, so it takes him a while to come get it, and he doesn't have the room to store this stuff or the time to take them apart. But he does keep the A coils and evaporator coils for himself, but that's all right. So I picked these up from him last night, paid 30 bucks for this. You know, got the furnace, big old condenser unit. I mean, man, this thing's gigantic, you know. But yeah, pretty killer. So the first time he called, he had 2 condensers and a furnace, and I paid him 40 bucks for that. And I broke it all down, and I went to the scrap yard just to do an experiment to see how it would do. So like I said, I paid 40 bucks. I don't know how good this is showing up. This camera doesn't have a view screen, but I ended up making 135, so profit of 95 bucks. So in the 2 units in the furnace, I had 5 pounds of copper, got $18. 112 pounds of sealed units, got 28 bucks. The electric motors, those are off the fans from the condensers. I didn't break those down because I said I just want to get my money back as fast as I can. We got 5 bucks for those. I didn't take the one off the blower. Well, I did take it off the blower. I didn't bring it to the scrapyard because I'm going to strip that one because it's pretty much taken apart. And then the coils were 39 pounds. Got 70 bucks just for the coils. And the furnace and the steel from the broken down air conditioners, it's 170 a ton. We got 14 bucks. So yeah, not gonna talk to the owner of the HVAC shop, tell him I'll give him 20 bucks every condenser he can get, but I don't know about that yet. I guess I'll rip some of this apart if you want to like stick around and watch that type of stuff. Now this is one of those newer style motors that it's like real skinny windings. So I'm gonna put this to the side for now.